Morning Saipan again, guys, huh? You know, guys, today I'm very happy today because this time, yesterday, I go to the museum in Saipan, and the first time I see it, the museum in Saipan, guys. You know, guys, and then this time, guys, I'm here today in the CUC, close the fishing wildlife. Look at the fishing wildlife, guys. Look. See fishing wildlife. Look, guys. See fishing wildlife. Okay, guys, there's a fishing wildlife, right? And this time, guys, back to the saying. Because today, guys, I want to fishing today, guys. This time, maybe I catch. Maybe I want to catch the mama, but maybe not the big size. Okay? Because you know, guys, like only this one size, guys. I like that one to make fry cook and pinamalhan. Okay? And then guys, you can see it me, right? Guys, look, Way back it, guys. Okay. Look, hold it this tight. Yeah! I tell you, only the side. See that? Guys, only the nose. Another catching. Another catching. See? Very close, See that? Japanese destroyer, guys. Or Japanese destroyer. Another catching. Si papa. It's not big, guys, but good size for me. That's a Japanese destroy, guys. I tell you guys. Guys, I tell you guys, honest to goodness you guys, if si Mama say give you the fish, don't complain. Any kind of fish you give you, like this size, you know, like this size, already, if you can cook dry, sinigang, pinamalhan, everything, but not very small. But like this one, guys, already happy. Oh, don't worry, Mama said. Don't worry, Papa. Very happy. Okay? Guys? Wait, maybe long time. See guys, ha? See my technique, guys. I do this one. Look, ha? Come on, man, guys. Si Sergeant, guys. Sergeant, I cannot eat you. I'm very sorry, but I kiss you. Bye-bye, darling. Okay? You go another side, darling. Si Mama is there. see that one? Japanese battleship? 4 Japanese battleship. And you see me? I'm si Papa. Hello, Guam! Eric Blas! My friend? See? If you're going Saipan to fishing, see, look guys, yes, look, my friend. Come on, Papa, Mama. Come on. Alright. I love this bay. Yan ang sinasabi ko, guys. Right, Mama? Mama, you small but still okay. Good size for me already. I'll make you dry cook for you. Okay? Guys? Woo. One more, guys, and then I cut off because the time next is very fast. Okay? Guys, again, guys. Come on, Mama. You go first, eh? Guys, CBB. CBB, guys. The small, the I think that's the daughter of Mama, guys. See, look. Ala caramba! This is tik-tik, ah. One cut, and then I cut off because my time ne. No, after the finish, I want to see you my cut. Okay guys, another. Si Mama. I love you, Mama. Even you small, it's okay for me now. Guys, I cut off today because I almost 20 minutes, okay? But I continue catching, and then after I go, I take another video to see you my cuts today, okay? I love Guam! Shout out to Mr. Blas in Guam, and family of Riz in Guam, and family in Saipan in Riz family in Saipan also, and Governor. This is a Riz also, right? Governor Riz in Saipan. Sir, thank you for watching also my video, sir. And today I'm fishing close in the fishing wildlife, and my back is the battleship of Japanese battleship, guys. And shout guys, Tagalog vlog, Ruski, and Cebuano Journey, and BBTV, and Fisherman Boy, and also Omar Ayuste, Basti, and RJ Ayuste, and Danny Aquino in the historical, guys. It's very good, and I go inside. It's very good, but the problem is very cold. That's why if you go there, you bring your jacket, you double your t-shirt, because this yesterday I go there, I feel cold, guys. Okay, and Tanapag, Palig, Lipoypoy, Taitano, Pua, guys, in Tanapag, from Tanapag, and Tamatsu in the Tanapag, and San Roque. And so Lance de la Cruz, guys, is the one always by my face, and si Henry Gabriel, guys, is the one who's the good guy, man. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Please, guys, honest to goodness, you guys, sorry everything, but please subscribe to my channel. Okay, I wish I can reach 1,000 subscriber. Okay, please. Alright. And also 420, maybe you're in the Seattle in the state. Hello, my friend, and please sharing my video in Saipan. Thank you very much, guys. See you sumasi. And after this one, I want to see you another catching today before I go. Maybe like 11 or 12. Okay? Thank you, and thank you also the fishing wildlife of the director of fishing wildlife in the time I attended the applying my paper. Okay? All right. Thank you, Mr. Director of fishing wildlife. See you sumasi. Maraming salamat. And dumarigato may maska. And this is the Japanese battleship. Bye bye. And wait another my video to watching my catching today. Bye bye.